Oi. We can do something with this.
So here we have 3 formulation. This is the first one, which is 70 of PP and 30 of EFB. Next we have the formulation 2, which is 50 of PP and 50 of EFB. Then the last one we have 70 of EFB and 30 of PP.
Mass production relies heavily on quarry that can contribute to environmental degradation, such as landscape destruction and resource depletion. Plastic waste is a major metal issue and it stays in a landfill and takes a long time to degrade. Thus, it can pollute the earth. Conventional ceramic tiles also require a high temperature and consume a lot of energy, which result in high carbon emission and environment pollution.
Our project is to producing eco-friendly tiles using empty fruit bunch, EFB and plastic waste. So we have 3 objectives. First, the main objective is we want to produce tiles using empty fruit bunch and plastic waste. Next, the second objective is to analyze the physiochemical properties on those EFB tiles. This is basically study on how their composition affect their properties. So the last objective is to investigate the effect of EFB and plastic waste on the different ratio on the mechanical strength. So in our objective, we use 2 laboratory, which is we use metallurgy laboratory, and this is the environment in it. We use this lab to the mechanical strength, but we use another lab is strength of material, which is the lab is named B7.
So we have done 2 types of analysis, which is psychochemical and mechanical. So for psychochemical, we have done density test, water absorption and porosity. Then mechanical, we have done in mechanical we have done tensile, impact and compression. That's all. So for the next methodology is water absorption and density. With this shape, we put in the bucket and fill the bucket with the water and leave that until 72 hours or 34 hours. Then we wait all of them. That's all.
So this is universal testing machine. We use this for compression test only. So this is not the real specimen. The specimen we use is cube, and the cube we place in here. Come here. Place the cube here. Then we load them until the 20 kilonewton. Then we wait until they compress and crack. That's all.
So next is the impact test. This is for the impact test analysis. So first, this sample we cut like half of this. Then we take it here. Then this we will put here, and then this particular will go up and release. Then we have the analysis. We will have the data here. We go there, and this is the result. Thank you. Sustainability for our tiles is first is low temperature of the production, so we save the bombing of the quarry, and it can sperm our earth. And the lastly is our recycled material. That's all. So I want to present to you guys the result before. So from that three formulation, the formulation 1 is the best result or the best product of our result. So from this book, it says that the high impact, the value of high impact from that specimen, that mean the specimen can hold themselves strongly from the others. So next, from this book, impact loading of lightweight and structure. Of lightweight structure. Okay, we found from this that they say the high impact of the high impact that specimen can hold, that mean the product can be shelf life longer than another product. So that is from mechanical review. Why not be the result from the psychochemical? Let's go. So let's talk about the psychochemical result test. So for the result density test, formulation 1 have the highest density. That means it gotta be at the bottom when the result test and when the test is run. So for the water absorption is connected with the porosity test. So for the water absorption, it shows that formulation 1 has the lowest water absorption. That means the specimen has less pores in the specimen, less pores. So we do the porosity test. So we have the result of the test. As you can see, formulation 1 have a less pores. That means the formulation 1 have the less fragile because it's bond to each other.
Objective is was successfully achieved by our team. The first is the eco-friendly tile was produced by our team using a effective bunch and plastic waste. The second is the physiochemical analysis show us the composition of EFB and plastic affect the properties. For the third, different ratio of AFB and plastic also influence the mechanical strength, and quality of the tiles. Overall, the result prove the AFB and plastic waste can be used together to make strong and sustainable tiles.
For the conclusion, EFB tile a very sustainable and environment-friendly innovation because we use EFB and plastic waste as the main ingredient.
Saya terus terang nggak tahu gitu. Terus terang saya tidak tahu. Saya bahkan bertanya-tanya kenapa kok saya tidak tahu.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.